Okay, let's do logarithms, natural logarithms, and antilogs on the Caliber scientific calculator from CVS. And I might have to tilt it a little bit like this so I can view the calculation. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. Okay. So the first thing we'll do is let's do the log of base 5, 25. This calculator doesn't have the log of a different base. So to do this, there is a formula for it. Just take the log of 25 divided by the log of 5. This would be the base 10 version. So the 25 is on the top, 5 is on the bottom. So you say log. This is an algebraic calculator, so you have to press log, then 25 divided by, then log again. And then you press 5, you press equals, and it gives you an answer of 2. Perfect. How about the log of base x, 25 equals 2? Okay, so something like this, you need to remember there is a formula, right? And that is something like log of base a of b equals c. That means a to the c equals b. And you can use different letters, of course, but the order is a to the c power equals b, a log b equals c. So in this case, x squared equals 25. And you take the square root on both sides. X equals, we think we know that, square root of 25. I didn't do very well there. Let's see, is there a back button that I can delete? I can delete it here, 25. And we got to press equals, not answers. It gives you 5. How about the log of base 10 of x equals 2? This is the antilog. 10 squared equals x. 10 squared we know is 100, but as you can see right here, the log, there's a 10 to the x power. So what we'll do is we got to press shift log to get that 10. Now we press the 2. The 2 doesn't seem to be in like an exponential position, but that's okay. We press equals, gives you 100. All right. So 10, 2.5 power. The antilog, this is an antilog problem too. Shift, then log, then 2.5 equals, and that gives you 316.2277, so forth. You can also use the caret key, this caret key right here. So 10 caret key, 2.5 equals, same answer. All right, you can use the caret key. Let's say it was something like 10 to the 2.5 power, right? What about that? Let's see if we can do that. So we can do 10, and let's make sure it's 10. 10, caret key, and then 2, ABC 1, ABC 2. So that's 2 to the 1/2. I might have to put parentheses on that. Let's press equals. See, it didn't quite do it very well. Let's do that again. I think we need parentheses. 10 caret parentheses 2.5, and then close parentheses. There it is. See, so with a little bit of practice and understanding, you can make sure that you're getting the right answer. So make sure you do that and test to see you got that right. 10 to the negative 1.5, we can use 10 caret, and then the negative key, 1.5 equals 0.0316. You could also go shift log for the 10x, then negative 1.5 equals, gives you the same answer. 10 to the half, how about that one? Right? So that, you can say 10 caret, let's put parentheses. 1, ABC, oops, delete, 2, close parentheses, right? And then we press equals, and let's give you 3.162 and so forth. This is the same thing as the square root of 10. This 2 is the index that goes here, and that 1 goes here. So we can say the square root of 10, and it gives us the same answer. Okay, so that's great. Let's do the log of 8, which is base 10. So you go log, you put an 8, you press equals. Really don't like that answer key there, but can't do anything about it. 0.903 and so forth. Let's do log 8 squared. So this one, there's a rule that says you can bring down the 2 log of 8. So you can press 2. You don't have to press multiply. You press log and then 8 equals. It'll do it for you. 1.8061. What about if you do 2 times log 8 equals? Same answer. This can also be done as log 8 to the power of 2, couldn't you? So let's see. You say log, and then I guess we can put parentheses 8 to the power of 2. I'll tell it that to do that first. It gives you the same answer. You see that? Also, log of 64, which is 8 squared. Gives you the same answer. So a couple of options that you have. All right, let's keep going here. How about natural log of 8? Now, natural log of 8. So you press natural log, you press 8, you press equals. That's 2.079, right? So that's great. Now, this can be converted into the log of base e of 8. What is e? Well, we can find that out in the calculator. E to the 1. E is right here. E to the x, this is the antilog of the natural log. So we press shift log, which gives you e. You press 1. That gives you 2.71828, a very long number. So again, natural log of 8 is this answer, but it can be converted to the natural log to a regular log of base e to the 8. Base e is very important. Question is, can I get the same answer? Sure, as what we did with the first problem. So the log of base 10 of 8 divided by the log of base 10 of e. Will it give me the same answer? We'll find out. So log 8 divided by, then log. Now we need the antilog of the natural antilog, right, of the power of 1. And same answer. Now, this looks like a lot of steps, and it might be like, hey, can we go slower? What we can do is you can pause the video and then go back. Even go back to the whole, doing all of these again. Because the log and the natural log, they do different things. But they're interconnected. And I think the more practice you have, the better. So pause the video and try it again. This is a great place to talk about, if you like this content, please subscribe. Please tell your teacher, your friend, and also make sure that you watch other videos that I have with other calculators as well, please. Okay, so next one is, let's say, the natural log of x equals 3. Okay, well, this is the log of base e of x equals 3. Then we have that rule, right? Log of a, b equals c, where a to the c is b. So e to the 3 is equal to x, right? And so that means we're going to take the natural log of e to the 3rd power, and that gives us 20.085 and so forth. What does that mean? If you took the natural log of 20.085 and all the numbers, it should equal to 3, right? Well, let's see. Take the natural log of the answer. Previous answer gives you 3. Okay. So again, going over these steps takes a little while to learn. So don't be discouraged. Continue with the progress that you're having. And I hope you have a great semester. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.